Come on, dollies. Girly girls. Come on, girls. Woo! 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 Scare. Scare. Girly girls. Hey, mamas. Hey, mamas. Come on, mamas. Come on, mamas. Come on, girls. Come on, dolls. Everybody, come on, get you some feed. Girly girls. Hey, mamas. Hey, mamas. Hey, mamas. Good girls. Y'all looking fat and sassy. You looking pretty fat and sassy. You are. Yeah. Good girls. Good girls. 10 o'clock a.m. move. A little later than I intended it, but we had a few more trees to saw off a fence back here. So with the permanent high tensile, you get wind and dead limbs and they knock your fence to the ground and you're not real sure if it's a good thing or not. So that's why we're thinking about virtual fence. Halter, Gallagher, no fence. How about y'all? What do you think about no fence, halter, Gallagher, any of those things? I just know that there's problems with the fence we have, so. Maybe it's time for new ideas in our operation. I don't know about you. I know a lot about moving the cattle. I know I'm limited by how much fence I can build at almost 70 years old. So if you're 19, maybe it's not a problem to build a portable fence. If you got a famous organization, lots of interns, it's not hard to build a lot of polywire fence. But for some of us who don't have all that, it's hard. So, just what I'm thinking. But they are sure in some more grass.